In this video, I'll show you how to send an email using the Gmail node. To get started, double-click on the canvas to open the search modal and search for Send Email via Gmail. Select the node and add it to your canvas. Next, double-click on the node to configure it. First, we'll set up the connection. Click on Add Connection, give it a name, and connect your Google account by signing in. Once the connection is added, click Continue. Now let's configure the fields. In the From field, add the sender's email. In the To field, add the recipient's email. Then add your subject. If you want to reply to an existing email thread, you can use the In Reply To field with a thread ID. You can also add CC and BCC if needed. Next is the email type. You can either write a simple email using text or HTML, or select a template if you've created one using Tiny Emails. For now, I'll use a simple text body. You can also add attachments by providing a publicly accessible URL. Once everything is set, you can test the node by clicking Save and Test or run the full workflow. You'll see whether the email was sent successfully, and you can verify it in your inbox. And that's how you send emails using the Gmail node. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command.